from 39 balls. Amran Akmal is now the highest run getter for Pakistan in this innings. Rauf with a wonderful hard-hitting 69 stole the show early in the day. Gould 3 for 61. One apiece for Asif, who once again was splendid with his line and direction. Sami 1 for 49. Had a promising stint today with the ball. Sri Lanka in desperate need of another wicket. The required rate exactly 5. Down the track over point. Didn't really come off the middle of the bat, but still ran away for a 4. Bandara is bowling his last over, and he's been put for plenty in his last couple of overs by Afridi.
I think Afridi here was looking to go over cover. And he wasn't. Got a thickish outside edge. It's good enough. Doesn't matter how you get them. Another 4 to Afridi, 5 in total. And this game's not over. He takes a wicket. Mohammad Sami next in.
Quite interesting to see the expression on the face of the Sri Lankan keeper, because there's every likelihood that he'll be in business, because Afridi is coming down the track almost on every delivery. Few nerves floating around more in the Sri Lankan camp than Pakistan. Pakistan quite used to seeing Afridi operate in this fashion. Mahela Jayawardene wants another wicket desperately. Change of angle coming around the wicket now, the leg spinner. Down the track, it was in his range, and it has been hit extremely hard by Afridi. He's having a ball out there. No mercy. He's going after the leg spinner. He's hit 6 fours in his last 12 balls. Really is on song, Afridi. Terrific hitting from him.
Well, there's power, but he's picking the gaps as well. There is a man down there, but it's just hit too hard. And the placement's good. 6 fours already now, Shahid Afridi. Coming back over the wicket now, Bandara.
Sense has prevailed, I think, is a lot better bowling from over the wicket, because he can throw the ball wide outside the off stump when he's looking to come down the track, Afridi. Also, we haven't seen the floater or a wrong one from Malinga Bandara. It's been very much a one-dimensional show against Afridi.
What about the fast, quick one? Wide outside off stump. It's just about coming down the wicket every ball. Shahid Afridi. Fast one down the leg side or wide or off.
Down the track, and that's muscled away through mid-off. Has it gone all the way? Umpire is confirming from the fielder at long off. It's a 6. Would you believe it? Hardly left the ground. A skimmer. Terrific hitting from Afridi. He's got everyone on the feet here on the ground. They're loving it.
And 50 partnership is up for these two as well. Hands on head. Here he goes again. And that's bigger. That is massive. He's not going to stop. Once he gets on a roll, he'll just keep going, Shahid Afridi. He is in the mood.
Might as well enjoy it. Cracking shot. Some great drives and great batting from Afridi. Really has been massive through the offside today. 4-4-6-6 on 45, Afridi in no time. He's not finished. He's miscued that one. And it's gone for 6. I think he overran the ball to field that long off. Bandara is gutted. Reaches his 50 with another strong stroke. this hit. He was looking as if he would lift the ball over long on. This is more like it. That's traveled the distance. 32 off the over. Second only behind Herschel Gibbs. This is batting at his best. Afridi at his best. Pakistan 2-8 for 5.